This video will walk you through the 3 steps it takes to log into your Aurora University email account. It's important to set up and check your Aurora University email account because all official university communication will be sent to this email address. In most cases, only emails from aurora.edu email addresses will be accepted if you're requesting any information about your academic, financial, or personal records. But it's easy to sign in to your AU email account using our Okta single sign-on system. Start by accessing aurorauniversity.okta.com and entering your login credentials. If you need assistance logging in, please contact the Information Technology Services Help Desk at 630-844-5790 or itshelp@aurora.edu. Once you've logged into Okta, click on the Microsoft Office 365 Mail tile. And now you're logged into your AU email. Your email address is your username that you use to log into Okta with @aurora.edu added to the end. You can customize the look and feel of your inbox using the gear icon in the top right corner, and you can access other Microsoft apps such as your calendar using the navigation bar on the left. For questions about your Aurora University email account, contact the Information Technology Services Help Desk at 630-844-5790 or itshelp@aurora.edu.